Okay, guys, today I'm playing Iron Bird, and I'm not. Hold up, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so and yeah, I got my face back after a while. I haven't used it. Nope, I don't care. Anyways.
Keep going.
No, I don't. I do.
What noise was music? Catch it. Turn soon.
Anyways, is that the Statue of Liberty? Where am I? My friends! You killed my friends. Oh! Give me. I'm ripping you. I'm ripping.
Shade now. Officer on the block. Private by degree.
Yeah, I wanna watch.
Run it up. No more poop. 6 realities. Bye, feathered fella.
Oh,
Turn it off.
Stand strong.
Slam it down. About time.
Yes.
and bye! Hope you like water. Woo.
Okay, hide and seek champion, you win.
Anyways, I'm jumping off. Boom. Did I just land? Wait. There's a door I can actually open.
My shoes are doing customs for you. Steps.
And then I go right there, and then I stop flying. And then I go there, and then I go there, and then I go there, and then I go. Well, thanks for watching. I forgot how to. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wait, how do I...